We see they come live to now from Anambra State, Ihiala to be precise, where they bring on a live reports as supplementary elections they happen for that place. And as you can see, this one is one of the helicopters where they deployed to this location to do patrol as people they do election, people they come vote. You can see for this side, plenty people they do the voting. You can see people doing voting over here. While inside the field, helicopter they stand by. Never till we land for here, but this morning I don't see them as they rove around the Hiala. Now I don't land for this particular Ozokwa field with enough security personnel hanging around it. At least I can count about 8 security personnel around them. I don't know when they go on take off, but in a little while I'm sure they will take off again because they've been done there for air since they patrol, and we don't even they snap them. We even get the pictures for our website and our Facebook. And over here too, elections still they go on. Supplementary governorship election they happen here as INEC direct. After election, no fit happen for here on Saturday during the governorship election will happen for Anambra. Ihiala, now the only place where no do election that particular day, and I make INEC come move in, say today go be the supplementary election, and after that, then go now come do final collation of result and announce who go be the winner of the election. See how things bad. You make it too show for. Huh? You need to show clear.
That's how it's supposed to be. The lens is not good.
I want moving closer to where the people did the vote. Make I ask questions around there. Know what be the situation around that place. What we know be say we go day here as election don't start. We go day here till election finish. We go day here waiting be result. For this Anambra State, we know the waka come out until we don't confirm, say the people don't vote finish and INEC don't call the result. I want to go closer to the people. I notice say one of the polling booths, it is scanty and empty rather. Oh, the other polling booths weighted down, crowd plenty for there. Let me talk to the officials on duty.
Okay,
Mama, we don't know how they go. Any wahala at all. Nobody they trouble on her. But I notice say on our desk on they empty. Why people know they here now?
A new unit.
Okay.
A new polling unit.
Okay.
We have this 18. These 2 units is they are just redundant.
Oh, okay.
So that is why
But some people don't come vote already for here. Oh, now well done. How should they go where that side? All right. Bayoga, I greet you. No. We are come with you. Well, yeah, they are voting. It's fine. Yeah. For me, I never hear complaint. But you go ask them now. Welcome. For the side where you don't go, how that side be, sir?
No, it's by as far as I'm concerned, election is just some which is normal. You must have some challenges. But by his grace, we are comfortable with all the spiritual challenges.
Okay, may let you go check out then when you come out.
Please follow you, do things orderly and carry it gently. You can see we are all here for you. And by His grace, everything is done perfectly well. And your decision reign supreme. Thank you. Today on.
Toy, sir. Toy. Oh, you see, boy, you see.
Thank you.
So now the helicopter where they carry come operation for this time, it is. The police officers, plenty of them there around here. You get that? Do you want?
All right, clear.
So it be like they won't go area patrol again. We'll go there here, make the helicopter take off. Once it take off, we'll go there here and then move to other locations to show now how activities they work out for here. So say security teams, they tight. See number of police officers with they here with enough security teams with their own helicopter and their vehicles they outside this compound. They won't continue the patrol. So the helicopter won't take off now. The helicopter won't take off right now. Helicopter don't take off. They go other locations to continue patrolling as elections still go on here for Anambra State. Ihela to be precise, where supplementary elections they happen as they no fit do election on Saturday when they do the major governorship elections were here. INEC order for supplementary election today and now they go on. As I've been telling us, security teams plenty. They book well. I don't count at least 100 police trucks and army trucks what I see this morning. And now helicopter to follow the patrol the area to make sure say everything they work out well. So here for Uzokwana there within now they monitor proceedings for here. I won't move to other locations to check how the election they work out. I will also they keep on updated. With the hell all of you who don't join us for this particular broadcast as we move to other locations. Wanna deal with us. We will be here till the end of elections today. However it they go, we will be here. When they announce results, we will also be here to give on all the story where one need to know. Well done. Let's go. Chief. Who are these guys? Black shirts. 4 of them. Huh? No gun.